Article 5 of the United States Constitution indicates that the Congress, whenever 2/3 of both houses shall deem it necessary, shall propose amendments to this Constitution, or on the application of the legislatures of 2/3 of the several states, shall call a convention for proposing amendments, which in either case shall be valid to all intents and purposes as part of this Constitution, when ratified by the legislatures of 3/4 of the several states, or by conventions in 3/4 thereof, as the one or the other mode of ratification may be proposed by the Congress, provided that no amendment which may be made prior to the year 1808 shall in any manner affect the first and fourth clauses in the 9th section of the first article, and that no state without its consent shall be deprived of its equal suffrage in the Senate. This provision requires the approval of 75% of the states in the Union to ratify any constitutional amendment, and it outlines the two methods by which potential amendments can be proposed. The first is by a vote of at least 67% of the Senate and 67% of the House, and this is the method by which all 27 amendments to the Constitution have been proposed. The second is by a submission of applications by 67% of the states in the Union on a particular matter, which would require Congress to hold a convention at which representatives of the state legislatures could propose and discuss potential amendments, which has never been successfully accomplished. The closest that any proposal has come to achieving this Article 5 Convention of States has been a measure requiring the federal government to annually approve a balanced budget. Outstanding applications from 28 states have proposed the amendment, 5 short of the 33 states required to compel Congress to call a convention, with the most recent having been submitted by the state of Florida in February of 2024, and 16 of the 28 having been submitted in just the last 15 years. The next most commonly proposed measure is one imposing term limits on members of Congress. Outstanding applications from 11 states have proposed the amendment, with the most recent having been submitted by the state of North Carolina in December of 2024, and 10 of the 11 applications having been submitted in just the last 9 years.